OBS Studio and Ecamm Live are two popular tools for creators who stream or record video content. They both let you manage scenes, add overlays, switch cameras, and create polished broadcasts. But they are designed for different types of creators and different operating systems. If you are trying to choose the best streaming setup, especially when your workflow depends on either Windows or macOS, the differences matter. Let us walk through what each one offers and which type of creator each one suits best. OBS Studio is known for being open source, flexible, and widely used across platforms. It works on Windows, macOS, and Linux. Because it is open source, it is extremely customizable. There are many community plugins, extensions, and layouts that can expand its capabilities almost endlessly. This makes OBS a favorite among streamers who want full control. If you enjoy adjusting bitrate settings, customizing scene transitions, building your own overlays, or using virtual camera routing tools, OBS gives you room to tailor every part of your setup. The interface may take a little more time to learn because it is designed as a full production tool rather than a plug-and-play system. But once you understand it, OBS is powerful. It supports many capture devices, multiple audio sources, advanced recording formats, and multi-scene setups. Ecamm Live, on the other hand, is made specifically for macOS. Because it is built only for the Mac environment, it takes advantage of Apple's system features. This gives it a smoother and more polished feel, especially for creators who want an easier setup. Ecamm Live is designed to be intuitive right away. You can drag and drop overlays, set up picture-in-picture, add guests using call features, and manage audio with a visual interface that is easy to understand. For creators who want to record webinars, run interviews, produce live shows, or stream teaching content, Ecamm Live is very friendly. It feels like a creative tool rather than a technical one. The built-in camera effects, background removal, and media panel make it easy to create professional-looking streams without adding plugins or fine-tuning settings. If you are a creator who wants a clean, straightforward workflow and you are already working on macOS, Ecamm Live may be the more enjoyable choice. It is ideal for coaches, podcasters, interview shows, educators, and anyone who wants a polished setup without heavy technical tuning. In short, OBS Studio is the powerful, customizable cross-platform production tool. Ecamm Live is the polished, Mac-based, easy-to-use studio for creators who want a simpler path to professional live content. The best choice depends on your operating system and how hands-on you want to be in your production setup.